Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bloom Solana. First, you will need to download the Bloom Wallet application directly from its official website. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or easily import an existing one using your unique seed phrase. Remember, it is absolutely crucial to securely store your recovery phrase in a safe and private location, perhaps even writing it down in 2 separate places for maximum security. Now that your Bloom wallet is ready, the next step is to fund it with Solana or SOL tokens. You can transfer SOL directly to your Bloom wallet address from another wallet you own. If you do not currently possess any SOL, you can easily acquire it through a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. After initiating the transfer, it is always a good practice to confirm the transaction on the Solana blockchain explorer to ensure everything processed correctly. With your Bloom wallet funded, you are now ready to connect to various decentralized applications, or dApps, on the Solana network. Simply navigate to the specific dApp you wish to interact with using your web browser. Look for a Connect Wallet option, which is usually prominently displayed on the dApp's interface. From the list of available Solana wallet connections, select Bloom to establish a secure link. Finally, when you are ready to perform a transaction within a dApp, your Bloom wallet will prompt you for approval. Always take a moment to carefully review all the transaction details, including the amount and the recipient, before proceeding. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transaction directly within your Bloom wallet application. You can then monitor the transaction status on the Solana network to ensure it completes successfully, typically within a few seconds.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.